Welcome. To create a job, you can just here and when in your home screen, you just navigate it, click on the job tab below, and then click on this plus sign to create a new job. So this is how you create a job. You show it there, and then there's another tab there for business or individual client. So maybe your client is a business or individual. So let's say you type it in John. So when you start typing, it's still already populated showing you John Smith. So this is an existing client, John Smith. So you just tap on it and it will automatically fill it up the field for you. Okay, so you just add the location of the job. So one, two, um, don't try, one cook, Victoria. Okay. So job title. What is a job title? Can be mm, uh, fix a broken Windows. Okay. You can press and to record. As you see, there's a button here for record and AI rewrite. On your phone, you can just press the record and you can just talk about explaining what is this job about, and it will automatically fill it up this field. And after that, you can click on AI rewrite to rewrite the job description to make it more professional if you want. Okay, so you choose a date when this job will be scheduled to be. When are you going to do this work? So you choose, say your 8. You choose a time here. Let's say 10 o'clock. All right. So estimated the cost is just an estimation cost. What is your estimation for this work? So two broken windows can be about $200. That's your cost, including the materials and labor. So just click on the create the job button, and here you go. It's creating the job for you. So it show you the job details here. That's the fix a broken window, and here you can assign a member. So if you have a team, you can just click on this button and who are you assigning to do this job for in your team. So you can assign more people, 3 people. So your job job description, a note here. So right, don't worry about the note. The cost here is 200. Okay, so there's a button here. You can just click to start a job, or you can click a message to the owner, of your client, or give them a call. Uh, there is. I'll show you this on the open activities button here. This is a very important button. So it's record all the activities you like your communication with the clients, and you can collect it all the. So if I click on it, you will open up this screen, and here you go. And if you click here, so you can add a before photos or after photos. You can add a photo or attach a document in a PDF, or you can record a voice note or even a video. You can record a video and then attach it to and add it to add it to this screen here. So once you recorded them, then you can keep them as a record. So in later time you can come back and revisit and view all the history was showing up on this one. But the most important, you can generate a job report. There's a button. I'll show you after this. You just click on it, and AI will come and collect all the information and create a report that you can make change or modify before you approve it to send to the client. So the client will see on the before photo, after photos, and all those information. There is one important thing here that uh, you can email the clients directly in this screen. So you don't have to go to your Gmail or go to your work email to email the client. You just click on this button, email. See there? So it will open up the screen, and then you can just type whatever you want to typing. Or if you out in the field doing your work, you don't have to type. You just tap the record button, and you can explain what this email about, and then you can also after it will automatically write the email for you, and also you can tap the AI rewrite, so rewrite the email to make it sound professional before you can send it to your clients. You can attach photo or a document as well, and then you send it to the client. When you send it to the client, let's say send this message. Okay, so it's send the email, and it will show you this is the test email, a record of this email here. And what I will do, I will check my email, and then I'll reply to that. Let's say I'll reply to that email, and you see, so we can see how the that reply will show up. Let's say I reply and also attach a photo. Go on. Let's say I reply and I attach a photo. Okay, send. So we hoping it will be arriving soon. Once we arrive, when the email is arrived, it was automatically showing up on that screen. So I sent the email. So we're just waiting for the email to show up, to arrive. So there you go. You see, and it's automatically showing up. That's with photo. It will, if your phone is closed or minimize the app, it will automatically pop up a notification, push notification on your phone, so you can able to see it. But this is how you email it to your client. You can email, so your client sends a photo, so you can see the photo right away. Make it easier for you to communicate with clients, so you don't have to go around and then use a different application. All right. So let's go back, and again another button here to view the map. So you just click on start job. Once you want to start working on this job, you just click on the start job button here. It will start the job, and see it's changing to in progress. There's a message, a label here say your job now is changed to in progress. So that's meaning you're working. It's in progress now, working on the job. And once you completed the job, you just click it on mark complete. And you say, are you sure I want to mark this job complete? Yes. Mark complete. Okay, job mark as completed. So now you completed the job. Okay, what's next? You can see there is a two buttons appear in the top here. So the buttons say job report and then invoice. So invoice here, you can create an invoice for your clients right away. So just create the invoice. See, it's automatically populated the fields for you, so it knows that going to John Smith, and it's filled up the details of the invoice. Here, see, it's broken. Fix the broken window to 100. You can make edit, modification, update, or add the new line items here. and automatically fill it up the calculate the text and fill it up the total of the invoice for you. So very easy. So you don't have to recreate everything. After that, you just tap create invoice. Okay, now the invoice is now being created. So the next step is to send the invoice. So tap on there and then just send, click on send. It will automatically send the invoice to your clients. Okay, invoice sent successfully. All right, so I want to show you how the invoice look like. So when you send an invoice, it will send an email with the attached the invoice to your client, and also send a text message as well to your client. So the system will make sure that your invoices arrive to your client successfully. Just to show you a little bit about how the invoice look like. Here you go. You may see it. That's the invoice. Yeah, you can see it. It's arrived. It just opened up on my email, but it's a PDF. Very professional. You see that's your company details, tax invoice, and due date. Everything is here. And this is a description of your work was done. Fix it Windows 200 and include the GST. You can remove the GST if you like, and there's a setting so you can set that on the application. So the totals, and you can transfer. So that's the payment details. You can show your payment account details here for your client to transfer the money, or your client can pay online by scanning the QR code here, and they will redirect to a payment gateway screen for them to pay using their credit card. Once they pay it, it will showing up on your app that they pay it. All right. So the other thing about the sending of the invoice, it will your invoice is still in 7 days. So the application will also send a reminder to your clients. There's a free reminder, so it will no, yeah, free. So it's sending the invoice today, and after a few days, it will send a reminder to your clients that the invoice is still outstanding, and if the invoice is still or past due, it will send another reminding to your. It will remind your clients that the invoice is now overdue, so they can make a payment. So you don't have to worry about following up your invoice. The application will do it for you. So the job report. In the job report, you just click on job, generate a job report, and it will automatically create a report of what have you been done, and also add the photos of before and after photos and all those stuff in a website template. And there's a button there. You just click it, and it will send it automatically to your clients. So your client will receive a link. They will click on it, and they will open up directly that web page, and they can see it your report right away. They do. There's no there's there's no time or you need to prepare your report and all those stuff. The application will do the report automatically for you, so it's very easy. I think that's pretty much all about the creating your job and working with your job, and going to the end, sending invoice and job report.